Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of 44 Winter Street, Unit 1N. Here we have the main living area, freshly painted walls, nice new floors. Here we have the first bedroom. Next up we have the kitchen and dining room area, new appliances, we have the stainless steel sink, here we have the bathroom with tile floor and a tile shower. And we have the second bedroom. Again, this is 44 Winter Street, Unit 1N. And this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River.